keyboard is absolutely amazing. I didn't get the mouse with the keyboard, but I did get the keyboard, obviously, and I did get this little wrist thingy that goes with it. It's magnetic. Hold on, baby. I'm doing a little video review. So if you press this button up here, it's a little knob as well, so it'll actually dim it or turn it off. Or you can turn it all the way up and it's just like super bright, which you can't really tell right now, but like in the dark it is. And then you press this button like right in the middle, and it has all kinds of different lighting effects. So it has that. It's so much nicer in like the dark, but this is just a couple of the examples. When you text, oh, I'm sorry, when you type. Yeah, so I use this as a work keyboard. This is actually a gaming keyboard, but this is pretty amazing. It has, let's see, up here, like right up here, it has like volume and play buttons and stuff like that. So yeah, all in all, y'all should just grab this keyboard and yeah, use it, do whatever you got to do with it.
Here's the keyboard. It's fully metal. I PCB tape modded it. Added PE keyboard foam, keycap, milky yellow switches as well. Left in some of the blue switches, and tape modded the keycaps. Yeah, there it is.
I love how this sounds. Like all of the keys sound that way. Like even like just love it. Just like the description says, it can't stay on just one solid color. I know that's really sad, but That's fine by me. I don't mind because it's gorgeous. You know, it's fine. And it matches my mouse, so for the win.
So I bought this keyboard for work, and listen to how clicky it is. Oh, and look at the way it lights up. The row that you push lights up. Isn't that cool? And you can change the lights by pushing the buttons. I don't know what the hell that did. Oh, that just does individual. Oh, okay. That's cool. And then it does all kinds of other blinking patterns too. And they stay on while you're typing too, so. But listen how clicky that is.
This is the most satisfying keyboard. The keys provide really good feedback, and I just be click clacking. This is the best. I love this brand. My first LED keyboard with the different functions, light functions. I love it.
Sorry about the shoe boxes, but I'm currently moving, so my computer's in like a weird, awkward position setup right now. But excuse me for that. But this is the keyboard. It's really nice. The buttons is really like soft and clickable. Got different light functions. Excuse my camera. You know, pretty cool. Highly recommend it. Bang for your buck. And it looks dope. Buy it.
Okay, I love this keyboard. It is so cute. And then I guess if you're a gamer or something, you can turn the lights down, turn them up, and it has a great... Reminds me of my old typewriter. Buy it. And you